Hey guys, Aelu here, with sister, Daisy.
Hello.
Welcome to today's episode.
Today's episode is, Aoris gets a Animal Crossing New Horizons on Nintendo Switch and gets grounded.
Today, this is the very first Aoris Gets Grounded video.
Yeah, this is the very first episode.
Anyway, enjoy the video. Today, I'm going to get to Animal Crossing New Horizons on Nintendo Switch. Ha 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 ha. Hello Aoris, and welcome to EB Games. How may I help you? I would like to get to Animal Crossing New Horizons on Nintendo Switch, please. Sure. That will be $15. Here you go. Thank you, and have a great day. Oh my god, is that your Animal Crossing New Horizons Nintendo Switch in your hands? Yes it is. Oh. Aoris, how dare you get to Animal Crossing New Horizons on Nintendo Switch? That's it. You are grounded for the very first time. Go to your room right now. And I will return this game back to EB Games. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button.
Write a comment.
And press the subscribe button.
Thank you for watching.
We will see you in the next video.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.